Yeah, so beauty's in the eye of the beholder, right? I just think this is absolutely beautiful. This is lake effect snow. We've probably got, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches so far. I'm gonna wait to plow until this slows down a little bit. So it was snowing a lot harder about an hour ago. I had to go over to my aunt's house and drop something off for her. Got out of the truck in her driveway. It's an absolute sheet of ice and took a spill. Came down on my right shoulder. So that's hurting a little bit right now, but could have been worse. Yeah, really beautiful out here. There's a little breeze, not much wind. I don't know what the temperature is. I think it's like 27, 28 degrees. It just really doesn't feel that cold. But yeah, I got to get the driveway plowed. But as you guys know, I don't mind doing that. Thanks for joining us. This should be pretty easy to plow. It's cold, so the snow is really light and fluffy. Hydraulics are cold. Yeah, this winter, I'll tell you, I think this is the, I don't know, 5th or 6th video I've done, and I've plowed a couple times where I didn't do a video. And it is December 13th. That is almost unprecedented. At least in the last few years. Gotta go move the cameras. Hey, by the way, today is the 13th of December. I'm gonna actually try to get this video out today. Tomorrow, the 14th, got a really interesting video coming out. It's not gonna be about snow plowing. It's gonna be about a decision that I need to make. And I have a feeling some of you guys might be exploring the same decision and various alternatives. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that. That's tomorrow morning. I think I normally put videos out like 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, so like I said, I went out to my aunt's, and she has a snowplow service, but, you know, with the way this weather has been, freeze, thaw, you know, I don't blame them that they've not been able to keep up with the ice on her driveway, but I stepped out of the truck and I try to be diligent, like, in the winter getting out of my truck or getting out of the tractor, and they always say 3 points of contact. which I did. But my feet, when my feet hit the ground, my feet went out from underneath me. It took a spill. Kind of landed on my elbow. That doesn't really hurt too much. But, yeah, my shoulder's hurting. Kind of pushing the snow back a little bit, too. I'll give you guys some shots of the box blade in action. You'll see how good it works. Now here comes the town plow. Still a lot of ice on this driveway, but not as much as I would have had if I had not kept up with the plowing. So they really frown on bringing snow into the street, so I'm trying not to do that. Thank you very much. right, got to get it back on trickle charger. Of course, with the way this year's going, as much as I'm plowing, I probably don't even need to do it, but I am. There we go. Yeah, I'll keep it on trickle charger in case I do something stupid again. If you watch our videos, I don't know, a couple weeks ago I left the beacon light on the tractor and came out to a dead battery. But I had a battery pack and it worked great. Yeah, so driveway's all done, and it's actually still snowing a little bit, but according to the forecast, I think that's all we're gonna get today. You know, as you guys know, I don't mind. What I do love is you guys being here with us. Thank you so much for joining us. We certainly appreciate it. God bless you all. And we will see you next time on Tractors in Life.